Okay, so we're gonna work on the tea while we're waiting for that cake to chill up. I've got my PVC here. I'm just gonna take a little bit of shortening, and I am going to brush some shortening underneath. If you have a brush too, you can use a brush. I only have small brushes with me, so that doesn't sound like fun to me. There, and then I want to make sure I get a bunch here on the stem. It's going to be a red tea. Be covering this with red fondant. Then we'll have some grass and things down here on the board. And I want a little bit up here on the top too. Stick some fondant up there. Okay, now I've got cereal treats here, just like a little sheet of them. And I am going to take these, a little crispy. Take a piece like this, and actually make it thinner. This needs to go around the base here. I basically need it to come out to right underneath here. Now, if it's much bigger than this, then what you would need to do is take some white coating chocolate and coat it, and then put these on and then coat it again so that they stay on there if it's bigger. You know, because that means bigger, means it's going to be heavier. So take this, scrunch it underneath like so. Okay, when I get it to about like that, then I use fondant. You could use, let me get one more piece of this on and then go to the fondant like right under here. Because it's thicker at the top, you want to gradually go lower. Just make sure that's really compressed on there. Oh, I think these are a little old, huh? A little crispy. You can always put them in the microwave too. Soften them right back up. Okay, let me just wipe my hands, wipe a little of this stuff off. And then I'm gonna go to some fondant to kind of get that to stick, to be secure. So I'll use a little red here. I'm just gonna take the rolling pin, roll it out this way and a little this way. And then I need to take some shortening and put it on the back of this also, so it sticks to the Crispies. I'm not going to go all the way up. I'm actually going to go like down here, because I want to use this to get these to stay up. Looks like I'll need a second piece. More shortening. Just press that up on top to help that stay. Kind of moving it up a bit. Use this piece right here, see where that was? Lift this up on top. Okay, this isn't the final piece, so that's why I'm not worried about piecing it. I don't want to really use too much more of that red because I might need it. Let me just go to a different color. I could have done white, whatever you have left over basically. In this part they're really not eating. Okay, and where this went in a little bit here. And if you use this part of your hand, you can kind of smooth that in.